Hey y'all, it's Mary and I got my Ipsy Glam Bag. Y'all, I just got home from the plane. I just got off the plane and got home. Took an hour to drive home from the plane, so I'm exhausted. Went to Chicago. I'll tell you about that later. In the meantime, my Ipsy came the day after I left. I left last week, Tuesday on the 21st, and this came on, well, it might have come, came on Tuesday the 21st, I think. So it did come in May. And you are seeing it in May, but I know it's the end of May. But anyway, this is my Ipsy Glam Bag. And this is the bag it came in. And I don't have any nails on or anything. I'm a mess. So please forgive me. I did clean this out. This is a nice big bag. Inside is a smaller bag. And this is my glam bag is in here. And then I do have an add-on. So let's see what, y'all have seen everybody's bag already. So hopefully you don't mind seeing mine late. It's a beautiful bag. It's beautiful. I love it, love it, love it. It feels like, pleather. And my stuff is inside. And it is a really nice bag. I love it. It's like botanical flowers. How gorgeous is that? That to me is so beautiful. And then it has gold, whoopsie, blue is right here, of course. They're crazy about, when I walked in, they didn't want to see me. But they're crazy about me now. Okay. It has the gold tag that says Ipsy on it. And let's see what I got. Of course, I know what I got because now it isn't secret anymore, so to speak. You used to just get stuff, But now you do get to pick something, and then they do send you an email, or you can go on the website and see what you got. So the inside lining is sort of like you know what it looks like? Iced tea color. It's a nice silk kind of lining. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. And it's just, like I said, that pleather is sturdy. It's a good makeup bag. So I got to pick from Toy Factory Mascara, which is also, they own Duve the Gods, that brand does. A product called Dazzle Me. It was a hair powder. I'm not sure what that was all about because I didn't really look into it. There was Luna Magic Foundation, and for me it was light. Lauren Skincare Body Scrub. That was like a vanilla body scrub. Almond vanilla. It sounded really good, but I'd much rather pick a makeup product than a body scrub. If I got the body scrub, I would have used it. There was Some by SOME by MI. It was an eye cream, probably pretty nice. Vintage by Jessica Liebeskind was a lip gloss, pretty lip gloss, and Dallas & James Watermelon Dream Cloud Cream. And I believe I got that moisturizer before, and I never have used it. To me, it's a thin looking. To me, it's more like for summer or oily skin maybe, and I may still even have it. I may have put it in a giveaway. I'm not sure. So, and then I have an add-on. So this is, out of those, I also could pick a palette. So of course that's what I picked. So it's wrapped up in bubble paper. Let's see what it looks like. I know y'all have seen it because I know everybody got it. It's by, it's very hard, in my opinion, to read the name. Reina Ribalda, because that's the name, but it's 2 words. Does that look like 2 words to you? I don't know if it shows on the palette. It's beautifully packaged. Look how pretty that is on the inside. Roses, isn't that beautiful? I love it. This is a wet dry eye color in Serena, like siren with an A at the end. So again, it's all 1 word, even though it's really, it's 2 words. If R-E-I-N-A, Reina Ribalde, R-E-B-E-L-D-E. Now, I've had things before and it doesn't, that's what that says, but that's not what that looks like to me. Okay, Blue, we won't want to see your bottom, please. So a wet dry compact or whatever, what am I trying to say, palettes. This is pretty. I've seen a few people open it. It doesn't have a mirror. So these are the colors. There are 1, 2, 3 these are mattes, these 3. And then these are shimmers, and this is a very light looking shimmer. These are beautiful, and I have all of these colors elsewhere, and I probably would never reach for this palette, so I'm not going to mess with it. I like to smell palettes. It smells good. It smells like roses. Maybe. Anyway, I'd probably go in a future giveaway. It's very pretty. Okay, Blue. What Blue does is he pushes on me. He pushes on me. There is a card, so let me look at the card. Sit. We don't want to see your bottom. Knock the pen down. Sit down, love. So May is the secret garden. Oh, Blue, you really moved the camera and everything. Oh my goodness. The secret garden. You have to behave, lovey. Y'all. Okay. Blue. Oh, they miss me, which is nice. It's nice to know that your babies miss you. My card has all of the items in it. And I did watch a few people open their bag, and I didn't see anybody else get, well, I don't think I saw, I'm tired, I'm exhausted, but I don't think I saw anybody else get their card with their info in it. So I'm happy to get that. This is valued at $18. And now there's fur. Blue's fur is all over it. On the outside. I'm blowing the outside away. Oh, but there it is. Very pretty. I'm going to put it back in the bubble wrap, so we'll have it nice and pretty. Let's see what else I got. Okay, so Seraphim Botanicals is an expensive brand. It's an expensive Korean makeup brand. And this is called Diamondite Beaming Highlighter. And now this is considered a full size, this palette. So this is a deluxe sample. I was thinking they may have made it a full size because Seraphim Botanicals, a lot of their things are smaller maybe, but full size. So, excuse me, the full size is $29, and that's 6.5 mLs. This is, I don't see a measurement on this, but there it says oyster on the back. And on the inside, it's very beautiful highlighter. Now, this is the kind of highlighter I'd like to have because it's small. Just a little wee one. And, you know, instead of having all that we have. But Seraphim Botanicals are good stuff. It's good products. Oh, that is really nice. And that went on very smooth. That's what I find with their eyeshadows, are very smooth. So, that is that. Very pretty. And then I got, what else did I get here? I got, oh, am I missing something? Yes. How is it that I'm missing something? But I am. Oh my goodness. No, I'm not. Maybe not. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I'm not. It's me. It's me. Okay. So I got this lippy, and it is sealed. So let's see what it is. It's What's Up Beauty Egyptian Queen Lipstick in Seba, S-E-B-A, Seba. It has shrink wrap on it, but we're going to look at it. It is full. Oh, it says it's a deluxe sample, y'all. Looks like a full size to me. So the full size would be $23, 4.5 grams. I don't know where I'm going to find the size of this. It says this matte lipstick will have you feeling like the queen you are, infused with hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and silk oil. The buttery soft formula nourishes your lips while coating them in a gorgeous mauve color. I don't see, look at that, doesn't that look full size, y'all? It says that it's a deluxe sample. I don't see ounces on it. And then this is the color. You know, this is really pretty. I'm gonna try to show it to you, but the tip has, no, I don't think you can see that. The tip has a design on it, and it's a very pretty design. So that's beautiful. I'm not swatching it because I have a few this color. This is a really neutral to me. It says it's mauve, but I like mauves that have a little more purple in them. So I will probably put that in the giveaway. And next up, I did get the Toy Factory. It's called Highlash. And this is the mascara that I could have chosen. And this is, like I said, it's by Do the Gods also makes this brand. Toy Factory Highlash Hyaluronic Serum Mascara. This revolutionary mascara and serum hybrid mascara has your lashes' best interests at heart. Not only does it help volumize and lengthen them, but thanks to the addition of hyaluronic acid, your lashes never feel dry or brittle. That's very nice. So the full size would be $24. Of course, this is a deluxe sample. I do like deluxe samples, especially of mascara. And then last but not least is this fabulous Elemis. Now this is a deluxe sample, and it says the full size is valued at $42. Usually these deluxe samples are pretty expensive as well. But I'll tell you something, there's a little blob up here of this stuff, and then it's filled to here. So I have used this before. It's very nice. It's the Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. So it's a nice non-drying cleanser. Very nice. It says the Glow Getter Facial Cleanser helps remove every last trace of makeup, daily pollutants, and grime to reveal fresh, radiant skin. A unique blend of fermented pumpkin enzymes and acerola cherry helps to brighten skin, while mango butter and chia seed oil nourish the skin. So you just apply to a cotton pad and wipe it gently over your face, it says, to use as a makeup remover. Okay. So that is nice to have too for traveling or whatever. So the Glam Bag is $14 and $1.99 for the handling. And you pick, usually your choice, you can pick from, you can pick full-size products. And that's what this is. And then I don't, you know, they say this isn't full size, but I would definitely consider this a full size myself if I just saw that. And then I got the Highlash and the Elemis and the Seraphine Botanicals, which is perfect for me. A small highlighter, which is really pretty. So this is well worth the money. It's a great way to start if you are new to makeup, if you are new to skincare, if you want to, because you also get the bag. You know, we have to put that in because this is a nice bag. You know, you may not like every month. Not every month is the cutest, but this one's really pretty. And, you know, it's nice. You can, if you don't, you know, there's a lot. If you get it for a year, you get 12 of these. So you can use these to put gifts in or something. Or different kinds of things that you carry with you. But it's really nice, and I think it's a great deal. And I have a link below if you wanted to join. I think that they give me some points if you join. They should give you points if you join. I also got an add-on, and this was $3.50, and they're 3 lip liners, so that's why I got them. $21 for 3 lip liners. It is Beauty Vaults, and well, that packaging is pretty. I like that. Let's see what that looks like. There's 3 different colors, and some of my lip liners are getting, you know, I've been using them up, so I thought I should try it for $3.50, $21 value. So these are the lip liners, so they're very beautiful. I'm not going to start them right now because I do have some similar colors going, but I may change them out soon, so I thought I would try these. Let's see, it's it's plastic, but it's going to be the kind you have to sharpen. So, very nice. Those are pretty. $21 value. I paid $3.50. So that's my glam bag, y'all. And I hope that you've had a wonderful holiday. And my Friday night gab, I'll tell you all about my trip. And well, I'll tell you a little bit about my trip, and then my Monday, Mass Monday, whatever. I'm so tired. I've got to go. I've got to do something. So it's so good to see y'all. I'm glad to be back. I'm all caught up on comments again. Not really, but I had to cheat a lot and heart a lot of comments, but I did read every single comment, I promise you. I didn't get to talk back to everybody, but I tried to. And you know, I always say I'm going to try to keep up, and I do. I promise you I try to keep up, but it's not always possible. So I'll probably lag behind again soon. So y'all, thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. Take care. Bye-bye.